Hello everyone, my name is Dave Partner and welcome to your second CSS tutorial. Remember in the last tutorial we covered what was internal CSS, which you just did, and inline CSS, which we have passed. What remains is the external CSS. To create an external CSS, you need to put this code inside a separate file. Then we come to the head section of our page and link the code. We use something like this and link the code. Alright, so what we have to first of all do is to go to our folder on the desktop where we had our file, and this folder, we go to the CSS and we can just create a new text file. And then call it whatever we want, whatever.css. Okay, so now save. So now we have this. We can open it with our editor. So it's now open in our editor. So the next step is to link it here. So we say link, and we can say rel. The rel is style sheet. Then we can say type. The type is text/CSS. If we are doing JavaScript, it will be, if we are linking a JavaScript external file, it will be text/JavaScript. Then finally, remember what I told you about folder structures, where we have to link to a specific folder. You can use this browser to do the linking automatically for you, but then I know that my folder, we are trying to point this to this file, and remember this file is the index.html and that index is here. Now on the same level we have a CSS folder, so we write CSS. Then inside the CSS folder we have a file, the file we're looking for. So on the same level we have CSS, so we write CSS. Then inside the CSS we have whatever.css, so we name it whatever.css. So that is it for your, we have linked an external CSS, but then the CSS is still empty. So what we'll do is we'll copy our code here, only this code. You don't use tags like this in CSS, so we'll delete this guy. So we'll come to this place and paste this code. That is it. But before I paste it, I want to show you, I've saved it, it's empty. I want to show you that we have removed, remember we have removed the CSS. So this thing doesn't make any sense, it doesn't solve any problem. So we go to and refresh. These guys should go because there is no CSS describing them. Look at it, it's back to normal. But then we have already linked an external file, so we can come to that file and say right click and save and paste. Then we save, then we go to and refresh. Bang! Have you seen it? So this is what external CSS is all about. Nothing more, nothing like, so easy and very, very easy. So the rest of the stuff we'll be writing here will be easy to cope with. So we have beautiful font. We just say color green. So when you use a dot, it means class. So if we wanted to change the color of anything, look at these guys. Let's change the color to green. So we can say class beautiful. Remember when we did the beautiful? So what we did here is beautiful, but we'll put a dot before it. So in your HTML, that dot means class, then the hash means ID. Then we just say beautiful. We go and refresh. We'll refresh. It's green. I hope you can see it. This color is now green, just to make sure that everything shows up well. What we would have is just make it underline text decoration underline. So let's pad it a little, margin, let's pad it a little, padding 5 pixels. Alright, so when we come to our browser and refresh, what do you see? It's underlined and there is now a very nice space around it. So that's it for external CSS. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Don't ever forget to like and share my videos. Visit my YouTube channel, my Facebook and stuff, and don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.